Rewind. Hey, what's up mga people? What's up mga gay? It's mixed with an M. Charot. Hello, hello. Oh my god, I missed you guys too. I've just been like, I've been decompressing a little bit from like social media. Kasi, well, not social media, but like work and drag in general. Because I realized na parang I've been so busy with drag and I love what I do. I'm so grateful to be booked and blessed. But also at the same time, parang namimiss ko maging normal na tao. Gets niyo ba? So, been hanging out with my friends. Been hanging out with Sha. And yeah, just decompressing a little bit. So I've been slightly less active on socials. But, ayun, we're here today. It's Mixed Mondays. Hindi tayo delayed telecast. Just a little late tonight because I just got a new set. They're a milky white with... Teka, patay muna natin yung filter saglit. There. They're milky white with like... Teka, yung likod na nga lang. Focus. Kaya ayan. They're milky white with like gold accents, a little bit of like pink chrome, if you can see that coming through. Basta ayan sila. That's my newest sets. Ayan. Okay. Going back. Ayan. Also, I'm waiting for my dinner. Nag-order akong salad tonight kasi gusto ko ng gulay. Kasi nagkikrave yung katawang tao ko ng gulay. Kasi yung lunch ko kanina is hotdog. So parang i-offset. Hi, Ate Mix first, Tita Baby. Tita Baby is doing her Tita Baby things. I don't know. Bakit yung sa akin hinahanap si Tita Baby? Milky white para sa lactose intolerant. Correct. When po siya mare-reveal, wag niyo akong pangunahan. Balang araw, ilalabas din yan. But for now, happy naman ako. Happy naman kami. Sure. Yes, gulay-gulay, baboy, mix, asim. I had questionably baboy in my hotdog. So now it's time for the gulay-gulay. Tigilan nga yung come to Brazil, Carl. Pack you. Sagad. Charis. Ang dami ng collection ko. I know, sobrang thank you sa nagbigay sa akin ng mga Molly and OIPP. Like, look at them. Look at my children. So happy. Kailangan ko na daw ng yung acrylic na display case para mas nakikita yung mga bebes ko. Kakakilig yung tatay na kami. Huwag niyo akong pinapangunahan. Charis. Hi guys! I know. Welcome to Mixed Mondays. Tambay lang tayo here tonight. Sana you're all staying safe and dry. Medyo nakakauga yung ulan kasi ang aga ko gumising. Parang gising na ako at like 9:30 almost kanina. Wanting to, be productive today. Pero nung pagkagising ko, medyo malala yung ulan. So parang ako, itutulog na lang natin. Pagkagising ko na 12, malakas pa rin siya. The nails, here are the nails. Here are the nails. Ano sila? They are builder in a bottle. Except for this one. This one is an extension. But the rest of my 9 nails, they're all natural. They're a technique called BIAB, builder in a bottle. So, medyo thicker siya than usual gel. Yeah. Milky white with like a little 3D gold and pink. And parang nakikita nyo like napipick up na pink reflects there. Dito, hindi naman kami binaha. Well, kasi I live near Marikina Heights. So, medyo paakyat na kami ng bundok. Gets ba? So, pag binaha dito, baka ibig sabihin nun, isla na kami. But yeah, I saw na in some places in Cainta, Antipolo, medyo binaha-baha. So I hope everyone is doing well. See you Saturday. Yes, this Saturday na ba? This Saturday, PLDT, Drag to Store, SM Mega Mall. I will be with Popstar Bench. And nandun din si Macy's, Venus Deluxe. And of course, our host, Dr. Ruth Canal, ang ating dental drag diva. Madam, do you know Day 6? Oh my God, I was a big Day 6 stan from yung Every Day 6 and post Every Day 6 era. Sobrang Day 6 was such a good group, such a good band to stand during that time. Anyway, maya-maya darating yung Grab delivery ko cause I had dinner delivered. Yeah. Ayun, kamusta kayo? Ano yun? Tooth, Mary Kill, DRPH, Season 3 cast. Bigyan nyo ako ng 3 choices. K-pop fan ka po? Not as actively now. Not, dati talagang as in, I was all up in K-pop stan Twitter back in the day. Back in like 2016, 2017, 2018. Medyo like, I was all up in the K-pop stan Twitter. Now, not so much. I only keep up with single releases ng mga groups na fina-follow ko. Manunundo na naman siya ng Grab sa live. No, iiwan ko kayo to appreciate my collection. Hello po sa mga may bias sa akin. Hi. Favorite Beanie song. Wag muna tayong umuwi dahil ang favorite line ko is, kinakabahan na bakla. Char. Kinakabahan na bakla. Char. Susubuan mo ba kami ng salad, ma? Go. I love you, Charing. I love you, Char. Go. Here in Tumana, so diba, mababa here. So the time we heard that, nag-second alarm, I die, whole family akit lahat ng gamit. Oh my God, Claire, I hope you guys are okay na. Sana humupa ng baha. I think medyo tumigil-tigil naman ng ulan. At least here in my area, since kaninang mga 5, I wanna say 5-ish. Kasi pedicure ako. So magkaiba kasi yung place na I get a pedicure and I get a manicure. Kasi yung manicure, yung nail tech ko is just nail artist, manicure talaga siya. So I went and got a pedicure first kasi ang sakit na ng mga kuko ko sa paa. Ng 4, 5-ish, around that time. Tapos after that, I went to my nail appointment at 7. Now I'm home. I got home at like 9:30-ish. Wait lang. There, sorry, just had to reply to something. Sino pinakamabango sa cast? Tita Bae, gusto ko sabihin ako. I wanna say me, but also sobrang gusto ko yung pabango ni Tita Bae. The perfume that Tita Baby was wearing during that time. Hi, Ate Mix, pag naging babae po ako, ganyan mukha papagwa ko. Hindi naman babae ata si. Charot. I decided to draw your episode 4 makeup look since I've honestly been obsessing over it. Episode 4 is fractals, no? Yes. That was low-key inspired by Is She Hungry? Parang wala kasi akong specific references, obviously, during that time sa loob. But in my head, I was going for Lady Gaga Born This Way, yung like the sharp shapes, but in terms of the lip shape, I was channeling a little bit of Is She Hungry? Sino pinakamaayos mukha sa cast? Ay, gusto ko i-give sa sarili ko. Sorry, like, call me delusional, but I live for myself. Do I stan Le Seraphim? Honestly, I'm not super familiar with them as a group, but I do like some of their songs. Not the craziest about crazy. Medyo parang slight na ako dun sa all the girls are girling. Not my favorite. What is my perfume? I'm currently rotating between 3 favorites right now. Wait, kunin ko for y'all para mapakita ko. I have quite the modest perfume collection. A lot of these are gifts actually, so thank you so much to everyone that has contributed to my perfume collection. On Drag Race, I was wearing the whole time strictly etong Perfect by Marc Jacobs kasi gift to sa akin ni Eva. As in binigay niya sa akin to, I think a couple of days before I left for the show, sabi niya, nak, kunin mo to, ito yung Drag Race perfume mo. So it's Perfect by Marc Jacobs. This is quite floral. Mas gusto ko gourmand scent, but I did not mind this kasi it was a very pleasant floral scent. Pero ayoko na siyang ginagamit kasi talagang it reminds me so much of my hotel room and the workroom. It's giving PTSD. And then I also have Jo Malone Nashi Blossom. Bigay to sa akin ng Jo Malone. I think I wanna say like summer last year. This is also like a little citrusy. It's floral, but a little citrusy. Parang think light floral. Think like mga sampagita, amoy. Ganon. I like mixing this with all my other gourmand perfumes kasi mas gumagaan yung amoy nila. One of my current favorites is this Lattafa perfume camera. This is giving very like smoky vanilla, and everyone that knows me and knows that I love a good vanilla scent. Oh my god, andyan si Jean Velog. Hi, Jean Velog. I love a gourmand scent. I love any vanilla scent. Vanilla is my bitch. So this is a very warm, like toasty vanilla scent. Yeah. And then, gift din sa akin ni Carl. So, gift sa akin yun ni Carl, yung tatay ko from like, back in my agency days. Si El Carlito nandyan. Yung laging Brazil ng Brazil, king ina mo, charis, miss you. And then, currently in rotation is this Mugler Angel Nova. I like this kasi it still has that very like vanilla, very almond scent. Pero, it's very rose forward. So it mixes a bit of like my love for floral scents, but also like the gourmand. It's giving that. And tsaka kasi Angel Nova siya. So parang very, very me, very myself. And it's pink and it's a star. So I love it. My current favorite. And another puro gift actually. The only one that I bought for myself is ito yung dati kong signature drag scent is Ariana Grande Cloud. This is the body mist. Kasi talagang pinapaligo ko sa sarili ko in drag. Every time I would change costume, change hair, as in naliligo ako in the Ariana Grande Cloud. It's like, ganun na lang, yan na lang yung natitira sa kanya. And then, I also have, as an Ari stan, Ariana Mod Vanilla. Ito parang safe bet ko. Parang if I can't decide what perfume to wear that day, this is my safest bet. Kasi hindi siya, ang ayoko lang sa gourmand scents. Sobrang nag-grant na lang ako about about perfumes right now. Hindi ko na napansin yung comment. Sorry, nag-hyperfixate si Bading. One thing I don't like about gourmand scents is in the humid Philippine weather, it can get kind of sticky and a little overwhelming. This one for me is not overwhelmingly gourmand, even though it is like vanilla, as like pure ass good old vanilla. So ayun, if you guys if may gusto mag-give sa akin ng perfume dyan, I love gourmand scents, I love a vanilla, I love an almond, I love maybe chocolate, maybe coffee. I also love like light florals, yung hindi sobrang overwhelming na parang bouge bouquet, parang yung very parang, oh my god, there's roses in the air, there's sampagita a little bit, yung mga ganong mga scents yung gusto ko. Not the biggest fan of citrus because citrus always gives me war flashbacks to nung sobrang makarsick ako nung bata ako. And it's not the car scent, it's yung alam niyo yung mga pabilog dati na can ng like orange or lemon scents, o yung mga pine tree, hilong-hilo ako sa mga ganong scent ng bata ako. So those do not like citrus. But yeah, also ang favorite scent ko din is amoy niya. Well, basta. Anyway, welcome back to me. Okay, basa na ulit tayong comments. how did you feel sa video message sa'yo ng previous episode? Alam nyo, I rewatched Untucked by myself nung, I rewatched Untucked by myself. No, well, not by myself. Basta, I rewatched Untucked the day after the episode came out. Tapos talagang naluluha-luha ako kasi episode 4 was my emotional lowest in the competition. As in, yun talaga na parang grasping for straws na ako for my sanity. That time talaga. So, like, legit yung breakdown ko in Untucked of, you know, the people-pleasing trait of wanting to be liked. Yeah, and that video message came at the best time for me. And ayun, parang watching it the thing about watching the show is, even though, yeah, it's been months since we filmed it, I've done a lot of work to move past and grow from the person that I was during the show. Alam, yun nga, parang I'm a huge promoter of seeking professional help. I've gone through a lot of therapy after the show, basically. And parang even though I have grown and moved past a lot of that, watching it again, parang bumabalik lahat ng emotions, parang fresh na fresh pa rin uli siya. So medyo nakaka-war shock. And this time, meron na added lens of, you know, people reacting to it. And of course, not everyone's gonna understand you. Like, not everyone is made for everyone, obviously. So ayun, there's that added layer of that. But yeah, nakaka-emotional panoorin uli yung show. And also, like, minsan nakaka-cringe na parang, oh my God, ganyan pala ko. Gets ba? Feeling ko pag nagkita tayo, only usap tayo, who we have a similar personality. Oh my God. If people pleaser kayo, you're my person. If neurodivergent kayo, you're my person. If yapper kayo na minsan nagkakaroon ng introvert shutdown mode, you're my person. Kakatapos ko lang panoorin ulit yung promo look mo sa YouTube channel. Oh my God. Wow. I have not had time to do YouTube content. We've been filming vlogs and pinapa-edit ko na siya. Parang, I think baka ang gawin ko na lang is a compilation of like the first month of airing vlog or something like that. Hindi ko na siya sobrang tututukan on top of everything because I have been having crazy schedules. Like, may times na I'm in drag 4 days a week, 5 days a week straight. Hindi pa naman umabot ng 6, but soon, I think, malapit na ako magkaroon ng like 6-day in drag straight schedule. But I'm very thankful, very grateful for all the opportunities that I'm getting, all the support that you guys have been giving me. Pero ayun nga, sometimes it requires me to take a step back and give some time for Sean. Give some time for the people in Sean's life rather than always focusing on Mick Chanel. Anik-anik girly, yes! My anik-aniks. This shelf is for like toys and Pop Marts. This one is for like, a lot of this memorabilia. So parang merong certificates of appreciation. I have some of my photo cards there. Posters from movies or movie screening, like concerts, movie screenings I've been to. And then this one is my stuffed toy shelf. Except meron siyang squishy cat. Also, may kita yung mga slime ko dyan. Pero tuyo na kasi sila, so hindi ko na sila napaglalaroan. So, like, yeah. Anyway, yes, I'm an anik-anik girly. I love stocking stuffers. J. Gier, kalmahan mo yung pag-spam mo ng comments na naloka ba sa comment ni Melay. Kalmahan mo yan, be. Mas naloloka ako sa pag-spam ng comment mo. Mick Chanel rapper X Fashion Nova. Okay, isang post naman dyan for SS. Ano tayo? Post tayo with my squishy cat. Ayan. I'm baby girl. If you think I'm annoying in the show, if you think I'm high-strung in the show, if you think I'm too serious during the show, valid. All valid. Because honestly, looking at myself now, watching myself now, totoo, like all of those things are true, but like girl, I was in a competition. Your order from Great Greens is on the way to you. Love that for me. Malapit yung food ko, guys. Gagawin natin tong mukbang. Yes. So, ayun, parang, yeah, all of those things are true. Valid naman yun. Valid naman yung observations na yun. Kasi kahit ako, like, na-annoy ako sa sarili ko slight. But, yun nga, I was in a competition setting. I was very in, like, a emotionally stressful situation. So, talaga napipiga yung gay. But, oh my God. May mga natatawa ako may mga nabasa akong comments sa parang, ganun ba, like, yung sa TikTok ng photographer ko, oh my God, ganun ba ka-serious si Mix in real life? Not all the time, girl. Not all the time. Like, ganun ako pag stressful situation. And girl, give nyo na sa akin, I had 5 minutes to shoot a 1-minute video. So it was a stressful situation. So like, the producer mode kicked in. But I'm not like that all the time. Definitely not. Girl, I like to think I'm easy to work with because I know what I want. And I, like, pag naipag-gusto ko sa photographer, talagang mood boards ready, vibe ready. As in talagang nilatag ko sa kanila, this is what I want. Give me your input because I'm booking you specifically for this specific shoot because I want your personal style, I want your personal input into that. Anyway, ayun na, dumaldal na naman ako, nag-hyperfixate sa topic si bakla. Magpaparim po, bakla. Bottom ako. I used to be a top, like a few years ago I was, and not anymore. Mama, that's just not my thing anymore. It's just not. Anyway, teka, give me like 30 seconds. I need to look for the AC remote kasi init na ako sa suot ko. But, alam mo yon, ayokong mahamugan. Kasi lalabas pa ako to get my food, ayokong mahamugan. Hi! Welcome back to me. Panibagong slime lang afford ko para appreciation gift for... Oh my God! If you give me a slime, I will be so happy. Mahilig ako sa mga slime na may snow fizz texture, or siguro yung Bingsu slime. Pero ayoko yung packing cubes. Kasi naiirita ako sa tunog ng packing cubes. Yung jelly cubes, ayoko yun. Gusto ko mga Bingsu, Snow Fizz, Cloud, yun yung mga gusto kong, kasi gusto ko yung may natatouch na feel akong gano'n. Sorry, oh my God, I love sensory toys, kasi nga, neurodivergent si bakla, I love sensory toys. Itong cat na to, this is, strawberry scented, so, syempre, tinuto ko sa camera as if maamoy nyo, no? But it's strawberry scented and I love it. And alam nyo yun, parang, it's like I'm playing with a slime but I don't get it all sticky in my hands. What uni are you from? Graduate po ako ng Ateneo de Manila University. I graduated with Bachelor of Fine Arts in Information Design and Bachelor of Fine Arts in Theater Arts. Grace X Galera, hi, Mix pa shout out po. Hihi graduation gift muna sa akin, please. Can't wait to see you sa viewing party episode 6. Congratulations sa mga graduating soon. But also, hindi ba September ngayon? September na ngayon. So, may graduation ba na September? Girl, anyway. Stay safe and dry. Yes, hello, Erin Cervantes, Marikina girlie. Stay safe and dry, please. Almost Marikina Heights area na ako, so you all don't have to worry about me. Medyo mataas naman yung lupain dito. Hindi kami masyadong bahain. Pero kayong everyone else na nasa flood-prone areas, please stay safe, please stay dry, please stay healthy. Akyat ang mga kailangan i-akyat. Ipagdasal lahat ng kailangan ipagdasal. Just like, I hope you guys are doing okay. Unfortunately, wala pa masyadong ginagawa ang ating gobyerno to prevent floods. So, wala tayong choice. We do have to kind of, not to glorify resiliency, but we do kind of have to be resilient. But let's, keep our government accountable and demand, more programs for them. Libog na po kami dito, lubog, tang ina nyo. Good luck sa magbo-board exam. Good luck sa lahat ng mag-e-exam. Good luck sa lahat ng may quiz. At hayahay sa lahat ng walang pasok bukas. Ayan, dito pala yung jowa ko. Oh my God, Baus Rufo, the love of my life. My one and only jowa. Charot. Nakakatawa kasi hanggang ngayon kailangan namin siyang i-disclaimer. Ready to dig in. Your driver's arriving. Lovely, okay. Give me 5 minutes. Tambay muna kayo dyan. Keep yourself entertained. I will wait for my food. Teka, lakasan natin yung music para ma-entertain kayo. Hi, yes, hello, welcome back to me. Thank you for your patience. Hi, okay, ayan, we are back. Okay, wait. Ayan, okay, I'm back. Tayo po ay magmukbang ng salads. Ay, hala, nag-entertain si Baus. Ano yun? Ano sinabi ni Baus? Saka dapat si Mix lang ang villain sa pod. Hindi pwedeng ma-out villain si Jiggly. Ayup! Okay. Ina mo. Sorry. Si Hachi. Yes, Hachi Pupu yung nakasabi. It's a Pisces Hachi Pupu. Anyway, sorry. Wait. Ang init na. Hi, welcome back to me. Welcome to my mukbang session. Kakain po tayo ng salad. At nag-crave din ako talaga ng maraming whole kernel corn. Oh, I love you, Sel. Rian, love you din. Tigilan nyo na yung pagsa-spam nyo, mga ayup kayo. For the spammers naman yan sila, kalma nyo yung isang chat lang. Ilan gado nyo, madam? 250. Do, parang feeling ko kailangan ko na siyang i-update kasi it's been I think almost 2 years na since I got my last eye test. Podcast with Minty? Okay, go. Fave food nyo po. Ano ba? Mahilig ako salads, kaya sobrang may pagkakambing si bakla. But I also love food that I can eat every day na hindi nagsasawa. Fried chicken, spaghetti, lechon paksiw, lumpiang Shanghai, kare-kare, katsu curry. Yan, mga favorite ko yung mga yan. Sale, sinabi ko na nga yan. Tigilan mo na yung pag-spam. Unti pa. Unti pa talaga. Tigat ng ulo nyo. Fave salad stop flavor. Hindi ako mahilig sa salad stop. Salad stop is a little expensive for me. Like, I don't know, girl. I love eating, pero medyo kuripot din ako. So I don't love expensive food. Not all the time, at least. Ay, go. Miss Chai Agoncillo, moderator. Ayan. Lagot po kayo sa aking manager. Moderator na siya. Nawala si Habi Baus. Hayaan nyo na siya, te. Alam nyo, kami ni Baus, bonding moment namin magtrabaho. We love work. Workaholics kami both. So, bonding moments namin is work. Sobrang, hindi na kami gano'ng kadalas magkita outside of work ngayon. Though, I mean, gets, parang, work is still, like, quality time for us. We love working. Pero parang, outside of work itself, medyo rare na kaming magkita. Kasi kakayo mga bakla. Mahilig kayo magtrabaho. Ma, bakit Toko at Baboy binigay mo na nickname sa akin? Ano bang nickname dapat ibigay ko sa'yo? Nangihingi ka na nickname, binigay ka na nickname, Toko at Baboy. Ay, hindi ito. Si Mix hindi siya FB10. Huwag niyong batiin! Do you have a pet? Ang pet ko po si J Queen. Charot. Love ko yung sister ko na yun. I don't have pets. I would love to have a cat. Pero kasi, sobrang, minsan lang ko nasa bahay lately. Ayun nga, parang girl, lagi akong may show. So, mas madalas pa yung wala ako sa bahay kaysa nandito. And ayoko namang maging neglectful parent, diba? So, I'm not getting any pets yet. Siguro pag pag nagka-jowa ako, nag-live-in kami, ganun. Sa'yo ng cat ko, huy! Pinag-alagaan niyo pa yung bakla. I can't even take care of myself. How can you expect me to be responsible for another living creature? Shut up. Nalipad ba ang supernova namin? Saan papunta? Saan biyahe yan? Ito. Happy birthday sa lahat ng may birthday. Bon voyage sa mga lahat ng may travel. Good luck sa lahat ng may exam. Break a leg sa lahat ng may show. Lahat na ng greetings para sa inyo. General na yon. Sana masaya ka. Pero kung ayaw mo maging masaya, hindi ako mag-decision for you. Buhay mo yan, choice mo yan. Sorry. At least alam mo lagi kami nakasubaybay sa'yo kahit FB tanong nakaraan. Hoy! Love ko kayo. Salamat sa mga pagtambay ni FB 10 days ko. How's your relationship with your drag daughter, J. Ryan? Lagi kami magkasama. Si Faye, J. Ryan, also known as Faye Survivor, is my full-time assistant. So as in, pupunta yan dito sa bahay, siya mag-i-empake ng stuff, samahan niya ako sa gig, hatid niya ako dito sa bahay, unpack, plus uwi siya. Lagi kami magkasama, and I'm very, very proud na, naman yun parang nilagyan ko rin ng clause yung contract niya na, if ever magkaroon ka ng gig kasabay sa akin, you just have to help me find a replacement kasi of course, I need an assistant. Ang daming nasa utak ni bakla, hindi ko ma-figure out lahat all the time. So I need an assistant. But yun, I'm very happy to have Jay with me on my team now. Kasi sobrang ganda ng working relationship namin. Alam niyo naman, sometimes when it's stressful, pumapasok talaga ako dun sa producer mode na parang wala akong time, like, in the essence of, for the sake of brevity, for the sake of efficiency, sometimes, hindi ko na kinakaya yung, please pakuha yung ganito, please. Wala na akong time gumanon para may tayo na parang, paabot ng ganyan, bilis. May mga ganong moments, and nagkakaintindihan kami ni Jay na pag ganon, it's not personal, like, it's just work. And outside of work, we have a really good mother-daughter relationship pa din. Lagi siya nanghihingi advice sa akin, like tips. Tapos, pag may kailangan sila, give naman ako, ganyan. Sana may mga questions pala hindi ko napansin. Lalaplapin, Jajaculin, or papatayin? J. Queen, Kiana, and Angel. Lalaplapin ko si Angel dahil siya ang pinaka... teka, wait lang. Lalaplapin ko si J. Queen kasi wala namang mali siya yung magkapatid kami. Jajaculin ko si Angel. Go! Papatayin ko si Kiana dahil libog na libog siya lagi. Charis. If babalikan, do you think you can still change anything from the hosting episode? The thing is, I don't have any regrets. Would I have done some things differently? Of course. Alam mo yun, parang, especially like, my flop in the girl group and my flop in the hosting challenge. I know what I could have improved on, but at the same time kasi, I made decisions in that moment that felt right for me where I was emotionally and mentally. So parang hindi ko sila nire-regret. Ginawa ko what felt right for me in that moment. Was it like the best decision? Maybe not, but alam mo yun yung feeling ko tama for me right then and there. And girl, hindi ko naman kayang sabihin nasa tamang pag-iisip ako the entire time of the competition, 'di ba? So ayun. No regrets, but I know what I could have done better. Gets ba? Yun. Do you play online games po ba? Wala na akong time ngayon, but I used to play League of Legends a lot. Especially TFT, my god. TFT Remix Rumble, nag-Emerald pa ako. Matatanggap ka ba gift sa Saturday? Yes, of course. Sana hindi yung Sana walang lason, ganyan. Sana walang kutsilyo, charis. But if you guys want to get me anything, it's gonna be much appreciated. A lot of the stuff here are actually gifts, and I keep all of them. I've kept, I think, I wanna say every single letter that I've gotten as Mick Chanel. I keep all of the letters. Hindi ko na sila nadi-display lahat. Dati kasi naka-corkboard yan lahat, pero medyo napuno na siya. But I really appreciate, I love letters. Isa yun sa mga common traits namin ni Eva is we love letters. Words of affirmation girl kasi ako. I love receiving words of affirmation. So, I'm very, I love reading your letters. I love reading, kasi effort yun eh. Hindi siya basta chat eh. Hindi siya parang basta message nilagay yung chat. You took the time to like, really write it onto paper. And I appreciate that. Hi, Miss Angel. Angel.Pintadon is my tattoo artist. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 tattoos in total. Si Miss Angel lahat gumawa. If you guys want good tattoos, punta kayo sa Pintadon or dyan kay Angel.Pintadon. I highly recommend. Lahat ng tattoos ko siya gumawa. And I don't regret any of them. Ma-accept mo ba kung sinigang mix sachet i-gift ko sa'yo Saturday? Go! Magamit namin yan dito sa bahay. Bahala kayo. Decision yan eh. Ang tattoos ko sa arms. So I have one here. This is Yes Instead of No. It is the second line from The One ni Taylor Swift. The first track from Folklore. Comfort album ko during the pandemic. And that song specifically helped me be optimistic about a lot of situations. About, alam mo yung mga regrets, mga what ifs. The One made me really more optimistic. Especially nung time ng pandemic na girl parang hindi mo nga alam kung may next week pa ba ganun. Then, next one is my Cardcaptor Sakura 1 tattoos. This is the closed staff and then this is the transformed Sakura staff. I have another. Nakikita nyo ito minsan pag nag-perform ako, but I have a hip tattoo. It is Delicate by title ng song ni Taylor Swift in the Reputation font because it's my favorite song from one of my favorite albums of Taylor Swift. Ano talagang tumatago siya sa puso ko every time I hear Delicate, especially if in love tayo ganyan. And then I have the Eevee tattoo here. Ayan, baliktad siya. I have the Eevee tattoo. It's a matching tattoo with my best friend. And then, sa ilalim niya is the fairy type symbol because Sylveon is my favorite Eevee evolution. And then, there's another one here. Gratitude Persists. I actually got this tattoo when I got the casting letter for Drag Race. Kasi isa to sa mga life mottos ko na parang ang logic ko kasi everything is fleeting. So, sadness is fleeting, negativity is fleeting, anxiousness, anxiety is fleeting, fear is fleeting, embarrassment is fleeting. Lahat ng yan mawawala. Pero ang pwede mong gawing permanent, pwedeng manaig sa'yo is your gratitude towards things. So, parang minsan na-overwhelm ako with life, minsan na-overwhelm ako with work, minsan na-overwhelm ako with drag, minsan na-overwhelm ako with social interactions. But through all of it, I try to stay thankful, at least. Kung hindi man ako makapag-stay fully positive, I try to stay thankful for all the opportunities and all of the support that I'm getting. So, kaya ko siya pinatattoo nung nakuha ko yung casting letter for Drag Race just to kind of commemorate that event. And good night sa mga matutulog na. I know, medyo late ang ating live today kasi nga nagpa-nails si Bading. But yeah, if kailangan nyo na matulog, sleep well, good night. Sweet dreams. No. Do you like Gardevoir? I love Gardevoir. Girl, anytime Ralts is available in a Pokemon game, hahanapin ko siya para lang gawing Gardevoir. Favorite Taylor Swift song ano niya? The One and Delicate. The top 2. Mi, sana magka-show kayo sa Bacolod. I think UD might be bringing us girls to Bacolod for Mascara Festival. No definite plans yet. Wala pang promises, but hopefully. Anong bet mong song ni Taylor Swift na i-perform? So, that's the thing. Even if Swiftie ako, I don't perform a lot of Taylor Swift because I don't think her songs are very drag. Parang she tells a lot of good stories with her lyrics, but in terms of like the beat, the dynamics of the song, they're not always the most like performable. But I have performed Delicate before. I used to perform Sparks Fly back in like the pandemic live days. Suking kanta ko yan. I've also been known to perform the song Dress from Reputation. And the lyrics say, I only wore this dress so you could take it off. Mama, I take it off. Like, I get almost fully naked at the end of the song. Babalik ko siya sometime soon, pero parang gusto ko siyang gawa ng magandang dress. How about Sabrina Carpenter? Espresso. I love Espresso, and I've performed the Feather and Nonsense VMAs live version. I think I might be performing Sabrina on Wednesday. Don't quote me on that though, but I kind of want to bring Sabrina back. Bakit hindi po kayo ni Baus? Girl, never ako nagkaroon ng libog kay Baus Rufo. Like, we call each other husband and wife, pero never ako nagkalibog dyan kay Baus Rufo. Kalman nyo tayo. Reputation girly ako, yes. Fave from TTPD. So actually, Tortured Poets came out at a really good time. No, not really good time, but like at the perfect timing for me kasi I was also going through a breakup nung time na yon. And nagpalit-palit ako ng favorite song from TTPD depending on where I was in the like stages of grief, stages moving on. And ang current favorite ko the past few months really has been Peter. If you know the song, you know why. Though medyo vibe ko na ngayon. So high school. Sino choices mo Snatch Game? Abangan nyo na lang. Lalabas na yun sa Wednesday. Just ko ilang araw na lang. 2 na lang. Oh. I-perform ang Gorgeous. You know what? I might actually perform Gorgeous. I do like that song. I fell in love with Drag Race Philippines. You guys are amazing. Love you. Oh my God. Thank you so much for supporting Drag Race Philippines. I hope you're supporting it legally and not pirately. But thank you so much for your support. The manuscript. Oh my God. The manuscript. Yes. That song. Sobrang tagos sa akin yung The Manuscript. You know what? Let's listen to it. Hopefully, hindi siya ma-copyright. But let's listen to The Manuscript right now. Sorry sa mga hindi Swiftie. This is called Education. Share it. Macdo ad. Thank you so much, Macdo, for the sponsorship you gave us in June. Like our special Pride episode with Macdo sa Bikinamin. Good night sa mga matutulog na. Good luck sa mga kailangan ng good luck. God, I love this song so much. Loudspeaker natin. Dead na kung makapirect. Diyos ko, 4 minutes lang naman. Huwag ka madamot dyan, Taylor Swift. Oh my God, see you sa Spit Show. Sa mga pupunta na Spit Show sa Thursday. I'll see you there.
Manuscript of the entire torrid affair. They compared their licenses. He said, I'm not a donor, but I'd give you my heart if you needed it. She rolled her eyes and said, you're a professional.
Favorite lover song, Daylight.
Just a good Samaritan. He said that if the sex is half as good as the conversation was, soon they'd be pushing strollers. But and soon it was over.
Baka umiyak ako. Eme!
In the age of him, she wished she was 30.
Pag ano,
And made coffee
I'll
every
call out
morning
my favorite
in a
lyric when it
French
comes.
press.
But I love her storytelling in this song particularly. Parang, she really made it a point to
It was in a mother's
go into, rather than the like,
Then she dated boys who
big
were her own age.
life events or parang big romantic gestures. She focuses on the parang little things in the relationship that
Thought about
you would normally
how
enjoy and then
she
deconstructs them in a way na parang
was beyond her
hindi nga eh, hindi kasi talaga kayo eh, ganon.
had been above board. She wasn't sure.
Fave Voltrack, syempre all too well 10-minute version. Matik na yun. Gusto ko yung nag-bonding lang talaga tayo sa, the manuscript.
The years passed like scenes of a show. The professor said to write what you know. Looking back,
Soft hours, go! Vibes tayo.
be the only way to
Do I listen to Chaperone? Yes.